Hi, are you looking for a nice townhouse in South Surrey where you can rent? Please check this townhouse. This 1-year-old townhouse has a 3-bedroom and 1 den and 2.5 bathroom with side-by-side garage. This townhouse is located in South Surrey near 24A Avenue and 166th Street. This house has a very convenient location and close to the Morgan Crossing Mall, Superstore and Walmart. Also walking distance to Grandview Heights Aquatic Center and also elementary and secondary school. This home is facing greenery in the back, so it's very quiet and private. Let's take a look inside. I'll put the rent details in the description below. Please watch this video to the end to check the interior of this townhouse. If you need more information, please call Sean 778-989-4989.